Welcome back to the Sweet Fam. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I know from you see the description, you know what today's vlog is going to be about. So I've decided to get a braided wig, and it's my first time getting one of these braided wig, guys. So I will be installing that, guys. So let us do this. I'm not going to be using any glue. I'll be working with just these products today. Yeah, so watch on, guys. Let us do this. Okay guys, so I'm just putting on this headband here just to help to keep it in place. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, it's coming. Okay guys, so here we have it, my braided wig, and of course I can style it up as well. This saves so much time instead of sitting at the hairdressers for hours getting your hair single plait, or yeah, it's just so quicker and easier. Why is my edge giving me trouble though? To fix this one a little more guys. Boy. I'm crop with these hair guys. This baby hair thing is not me. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Yes, sweet squad. So here we got it. My single plait wig. See guys, so quick and easy. Yeah, that's the first time I'm actually doing this myself as well, and it's not too bad, is it? And it's quite quick. See? So this is another way of wearing this wig. Yeah, quite like it a lot, you know. I love you, love you, love you.
Show your hair. Showing your hair. And I'm showing the top of it. I can see the top of it. Turn around now. And let me see the edges. Come closer. And I can see the edges. Looks nice. Yeah.
So that's my 4-year-old being my video personnel. Thank you, Tally.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.